Welcome to Willow's World DIY. I'm Willow, and today I'm going to show you guys how to build this raised bed garden with a removable greenhouse top. We're building our raised bed gardens today. I want them to be 12 feet long by 4 feet wide. I'm using 2 by 10 by 12. So I'm going to cut some 4 feet sections. Let's go ahead and mark them and we'll start cutting. Alright, now we're going to use some Type On 3 wood glue and clamp them up and screw them all together. Okay, we're going to use some 4-inch deck screws and screw it all together. Now we'll do the same on the other side. Now we're just going to glue up this side. Okay, now we're going to do this side. Okay, now we're just going to glue and screw the second tier. And I put this center brace in just to try to keep it all held together, so I'm going to glue and screw that in too. Okay, now we're just going to glue up and screw this side. Okay, now we're just going to glue and screw up this side. Okay, now we're just going to put in some 1¼ pocket hole screws from the top section to the bottom section just to tie it all together. let's get started. Alright, I'm going to do a hinged greenhouse top on this. So I'm going to, I moved the box into place where I want it to go, and I filled it with soil. I'm going to cut 4 inches down on here so that I can have a lid. So I'm going to use this board as a guide on top. I measured from my blade to the outside of this frame is 4 inches, and I'm going to run my saw just like that. Okay, so I did the cut all the way around at 4 inches, and then I came up at 2 inches and did another cut. I installed some hinges on each side, and now we are going to install our 1/2 inch PVC pipe hoops with these 1/2 inch clamps. Let's get to it. Okay, now we're going to install the PVC pipes and tighten them all down. I'm going to install the handles. Alright, I did it like this so that you can have access from either side. Let's start covering it with the netting now. Netting on, and I tied it around the vegetable, and now we are going to put plastic over it. Now I'm just going to install some double-sided velcro just to make these accessible so I can open them up for ventilation. Here we go! Now I'm just going to install some velcro along the bottom, that way I can open them up. Okay, now I'm just gonna install some latches to keep it from, any wind blowing it open or anything like that. Okay, so I didn't get to film some of the stuff that I did yesterday due to the rain. I just wanted to show you guys what I did. So I put these latches on here. This is just for the cold cover. I wanted to make that removable. And that way I can just roll it up. Both sides of the frame are removable, so I can completely remove it and store it during the summer, the hot part of the summer. Just like that. And I cut those, I got a 2x4 by 12 feet, and I ripped it in half. And that's what I used for those. With this design, we can also open it up completely, so that we can do all of our gardening without any cover or anything in our way. Okay, now I'm just going to rip down some 48-inch pieces for a couple legs. Just like that. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a V in it like I did on this one and round off the top. Just like that. Doesn't need to be too fancy. Now we got the legs on. You can see how the dome completely rises up. At full axis. Just like that. I think it's pretty sweet. What do you guys think? Post comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any other project ideas for the future, please post a comment below or feel free to email me. Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY. Until next time.